Discover how impulse control can transform your dog's behavior and strengthen your bond. Impulse control is the foundation of a well-behaved dog, easier to achieve than you might think. Success comes with consistency and patience. Celebrate small victories along the way. Reinforce good behavior by rewarding small achievements. It's the key to lasting change. We'll build on existing commands like sit and stay to enhance impulse control. Discover fun games and exercises that make impulse control training feel like playtime. Learn to teach default behaviors, empowering your dog to make good choices independently. Master the wait for food exercise to practice impulse control during mealtimes. The Leave It command is essential for ignoring temptations during walks and at home. Learn the importance of waiting at doorways for both impulse control and safety. Discover the numerous benefits of mastering impulse control for both dogs and owners. Incorporate impulse control training into daily routines for consistent, long-lasting results. Ready to transform your dog's behavior? Click the link below for more expert tips.